Hi, this Little Bits of Learning video is going to talk about multiplication. If multiplication feels difficult for your child, you can check out the other Little Bits of Learning which uses addition. For this game, we laid out 5 cards, and the way that the game will be played is you'll flip over a card, and if you can think of an equation to multiply and you get the multiplication answer correct, you get the card. So I might choose 5 times 2 is 10. I would get the cards. If I said 5 times 2 and it wasn't 10, either the other person can get the cards or their turn ends. And now I'll go again because I got that correct, and I might say 1 times 7 is 7. I might say 7 times 10 is 70. You may choose a variation of each of you taking turns to play this game. You may decide if your child is still in a skip counting strategy, you might lay out cards that are higher cards and keep the 1, 2, 5s, and 10s in this stack. So I would only have aces, 2s, 10s, and 5s. Then when it comes time to do the actual game, I will feel a little bit more successful. Let me show you what that might look like. So if you have a beginner in multiplication, a 3rd grader or a 4th grader who still hasn't picked up all of the skills on multiplying, my recommendation to you is to make a stack of 10s, 5s, aces, and 2s. Most children are more efficient at count buys of 2s, 5s, and 10s, which is why we're doing that. And then my lay down cards are going to be these. Oh, I had a 2 in there. Oops. Oh! So I might have, look at that. All right, so let's say these are the card choices that I have. Now when I play, if multiplication is hard for me, I could have this stack to be a little more supportive. So I drew a 5. 5 times 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, 5 times 4 is 20. I had a count by strategy I could use this for. Another thing that you could do is use the dots in here. 5, 10, 15, 20. Right? Now I got a 1. 1 times 7. Well, I have 7 one time. That's 7. Another one. 1 times 8 is 8. Another one. 1 times 4 is 4. A 10, right? If I have 7 10 times, how much is that? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 10 times 7 is 70. Those are all strategies that you can do. If your child is doing well with count buys and the 5s, 10s, and 2s don't feel like they are a challenge, then you can mix all the cards together and try any of the facts that you see here. So hopefully this multiplication game will challenge you and your child in just the right ways. Again, if multiplication is hard for your child at this point in the school year, switch over to the other one about addition and subtraction. Have fun. See you soon.